Assalamu alaikum class 2. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start my next lecture. Open your book at page number 19. Unit 3 lesson 2 words and phonics. Read these words and use them in your own sentences. These are the phonic words. Out. Out spellings are used in about, house, loud, good, shout, are, sore, floor, are, oh, now, how, cow, town, brown, boy, Troy, oil, boil, and point. Now complete these sentences using O, OU, OUR or OW. Example, how much flour you will put in our cake, Mum? Mum, 3 cups of flour. FL is already written. You have to add OUR and 1 cup of sugar. Tom, and how many eggs? How? H is written. You have to write OW. Mum, 2 eggs. Now mix them with a spoon. N is written. You have to write OW. Tom, and how long will we cook it for? H is written. You have to write OW. Mum, about 1 hour. A, B and T are already written. You have to write OU, and in the R, H and R is written. You have to write OU until it is brown. Tom, oh, it's hot. Be careful and don't shout. SH is written. OU, so loud. L and D are written. You have to write OU. Your sister's asleep. In exercise C, make phrases about the food items. A bowl of sugar, a bag of flour. In the third one, a bottle of oil, a jar of jam, a loaf of bread, and a jug of milk. Now open your book at page number 20, Unit 3, Lesson 3, Reading Instructions. As you read, ask yourself, what do I need to make pancakes? What do I do? Here is a recipe for making the pancakes. How to make pancakes? These are the ingredients for making pancakes. 1 egg, 6 teaspoons of flour, a little salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and juice of 1 lime, 1 cup of milk. In the first one picture, put the egg, sugar, salt, and flour in a bowl. Mix them with a fork. Slowly pour in the milk, mix with a fork. Put 1 teaspoon of oil in a frying pan. Wait until it is very hot. Stir the mixture with a spoon. Pour a little onto the hot frying pan. Fry the pancake until one side is brown, then turn the pancake over. Fry the other side of the pancake until it is brown. Make more pancakes with the mixture. Eat with sugar and lime juice. Enjoy your pancakes. Grade 2. Now open your book at page number 21. Unit 7 of English Grammar, Pronouns. First of all, I am going to explain the definition of pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Read the following sentences. Dolly is playing with her doll. Dolly is a noun here and she is playing with the doll. We have used here she, which is a pronoun at the place of her noun. She has been used in place of Dolly. She is a pronoun. Tony is cleaning his bicycle. Tony is a noun. He is cleaning his bicycle. He has been used in place of Tony because he is a pronoun. In this chapter we are reading about the pronouns. Change the nouns into pronouns using he or she. Write the sentences in your notebook. Rita is making a sand castle. We will cut here Rita and add here she, as she is a girl. Betty is listening to music. Betty is a girl. We will write here she. Sean is playing marbles with his friends. He. The king has called a meeting of his ministers. He. Mr. Baker is watering his plants. Now here is a practice. Copy these sentences in your notebook. Underline all the pronouns. Where he is going, he is a pronoun here, so underline this he. He is going to the garden. He is the pronoun, so underline the word he. In the second one, what is she doing? She is the pronoun, so underline the word she. She is catching a butterfly, underline the she. Where has she put it? Underline the word she. She has put it in a jar. She and it are the pronouns. Which game are the boys playing? They are playing football. They is a pronoun here. Students, now open your book at page number 22. Complete the following sentences using he, she or it, they in place of the nouns. The old woman wanted to cross the road, but she could not cross it. Tony helped her cross the road. He held her hand while crossing the road. The plane has just landed. It was an hour late. The boys are watering the plants. They also plucked many flowers. Complete the following sentences using the correct pronouns from the ones given in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. Katie loved her new toy. It's a white teddy. The little baby is crying because Dash is hungry. He, she or it. The little baby, he. Joseph is going to the doctor because Dash is not feeling well. Joseph is a boy, so we'll use here he. Jane and Fonda are good friends. Dash are going to the market. Because here are the two friends, we will write here they. Student, this one exercise is your task, so do it by yourself.